If your sneeze looks like a blur, you're a reflex superstar. Let's dive into reflex actions. Reflexes are your body's lightning-fast reactions to protect you from harm without you even thinking about it. Picture this: you're chopping onions, tears start flowing, and before you know it, you're blinking like crazy. That's a reflex. Now let's talk sneezes. Did you know a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars zooming down the highway. Your body detects an irritant in your nose, sends a rapid-fire signal to your brain, and bam! You sneeze it out in a flash. Whether it's sneezing, blinking, or pulling your hand away from something hot, reflex actions are your body's way of saying, "I've got this." So next time you sneeze, remember you're not just making noise, you're showcasing one of the fastest reflexes in the human body. Stay curious, science enthusiasts. Until next time, keep those reflexes sharp.